Alright, what's up, guys? It's your boy Elijah from Set Kicks with the Brody. You know, we just out here vlogging and all.
What's up, guys?
Hold up. Let me show you guys where we at. We just out in the wilderness, bro. Out up in the park.
With nature.
Got a little nature reserve over here. So, you know, just came across with a quick video. You feel me?
Nah,
I don't think y'all feel
I
me.
don't feel you, bro. I do not feel you.
Calm down.
I mean,
Anyway, you already know I got that KD jersey on for the haters.
And you know I got that floor on for all y'all ladies out there.
Yeah. You know how we do, bro. But, hey, what it is. Hold on, let me see if I can turn this camera into the wild. Dang, I can't even turn the camera. Hold up. I just took a picture. My bad, guys. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, we're just walking straight into the wilderness. Wilderness things, guys. But look like we're not gonna be walking in there. I think that's for employees only. Is that what you guys are saying?
Looks like into the wild. Into the wild. No.
Taking all the camera fame over here, man.
Yeah.
All right, let's go on with this video. This is just a plain video, guys. You know, just a regular vlog. You know.
Nature.
My brother crazy.
Yeah.
No, we didn't go
But
this
yeah.
way though, Mom.
Yeah, if y'all ain't even notice, you know, I look a little younger. Cut that facial hair off. Facial hair, whatever.
And look, they got mutton in there. When your mutton had
Yes, thanks over here. Going into the wilderness.
We're going to nature.
Dang, man.
Yeah.
I love nature, but nature doesn't love me. Cause I got bit by mosquitoes.
That happens to everybody, bro.
Why my forehead look big though?
Feels so subconscious.
We ain't insecure.
That lighting though. Oh, you see that? Wait, go back up to where the light was. What? You're going down. Bro. You trying to act like you 6 feet tall, bro. You know when you 6 feet tall, you 5 foot
You
now.
want to go back here?
5'8",
Yeah, why
whatever.
not? It's nature.
Same thing.
Yeah, but my sandals.
Boy getting
are
taller.
$80.
My shoes are like
Summer 6. It will not let me turn the camera for some reason right
because
now.
it's a vlog.
No, like when I regularly record or whatever, like it lets me do that. It's kind of muddy here too.
Yeah.
When you're low key, you gotta cut this video.
You low-key gotta get out of the trail.
Nah, it's
Nah, cause the
nature.
bottoms on these are easy to clean.